When does learning becomes transformative? Think of an activity the last time that you did which transforms the way you learn and also work. These activities which wants to create a transformation are based on the themes that sparks curiosity, equip students with skills that expand their own understanding so that they become knowledge creators and not mere consumers. In Explore Math program driven by inquiry-based learning and guided discovery pedagogy, students are presented with curated activities that help them discover the formulas by observing patterns, asking questions, connecting ideas and generalizing and solving problems with clarity. Essentially thinking like mathematicians. Along the program, they also build mathematical habits of mind which are very important for problem solving skills, and also the way one learns makes the difference indeed. Along the way, they also ask very importantly wonder questions which makes them push going beyond the obvious and expand their knowledge base. Let's go to the first activity we did with grade 6 students, Think Like Young Carl Gauss, asking them to find the sum of 1 to 1000. With some guiding questions, they were able to visualize with this dot representations and making some observations, and also these kind of grid patterns which help them understand and connect ideas of making a rectangle with the triangular number sequences, and also finding out the general formula by applying the algebraic knowledge. Not only this, they also came up with this interesting representation of a Pascal's triangle for these kind of adding consecutive numbers, and also approached a number representation of finding the pairs which can add and then generalizing it in a way that they can figure out the pattern and apply it generally. Not only this, they also kind of asked the wonder questions about asking what could be the consecutive number if they added like 3 consecutive numbers or the 4 consecutive numbers, and finding patterns on them. And also they make their own conjectures of adding the consecutive odd numbers or even numbers and figuring out the patterns based on applying algebraic thinking. And they also connected a Virahanka number sequence related to this triangular number sequence as well. Not only this, they also asked very interesting questions like, should it be just 1 to 1000? What if there is a middle consecutive numbers like 15 to 25? And also interestingly, is it only just the addition, or what happens if I want to find the difference from numbers 10 to 1? These are all very interesting questions that children came up on their own, which helped them work on finding the answers for the challenging questions. On a reflection of this activity, many of them told that this is very interesting and helped them think out of the box and exercise their brains in so many different ways, and this also helps them to see a problem in different ways. So that is exactly what the Explore Math program provides, making students wrestle their brain muscles with ideas that improves their thinking and also builds perseverance, and along the way enjoy the process of learning. If you are interested to know more about this lesson plan, reach out to us in the email thegymfoundation@gmail.com. Let's make the young students' learning transformative and make them knowledge creators. Thank you.